So, in this lecture, we discuss about the raster scan display and the random scan display. We already discussed about the raster images, raster graphics, or the random graphics. These are the same concept, but we discuss about the raster scan display device or the random scan display device based on CRT, that is cathode ray tube. So these two mechanisms are to be used to redraw the picture or any visual representation. The first one is the raster scan display. In this, the electron beam is swept across the screen one row at a time from top to bottom. The number of lines are to be drawn horizontally one by one. As it moves across each row, the beam intensity is turned on and off to create a pattern of luminous spots. For example, here is a raster scan display. This is the CRT model which we already discussed. So onto the display screen to redraw the image, to draw any picture. So if the raster scan display is to be used, the number of scan lines are to be drawn when the electron beams strike onto the screen. There are the lines which may scan horizontally. Draw the one row at a time. So this scanning process, each as it moves across each row, all the when the electron beam is strike onto the screen, and the electron beam subtract across the screen one row at a time. So as it moves across the row, the beam intensity is turned on, so the illuminated spots are to be followed. So this scanning process, one row at a time, it scan all the lines one at a time, is known as the scanning process. So this scanning process is also known as the refreshing process. Each complete scanning of a screen is normally called a frame. So this one is known as the frame. Scanning process is known as the frame. The refreshing rate is also known as the frame rate. That is normally 60 to 80 frames per second, or as 60 Hz to 80 Hz. So there is a picture definition that is to be stored in the memory area. That memory area is known as the frame buffer. So this frame buffer stores, what it stores, the intensity value of the screen points. So each screen point is known as the pixel or the picture element. So all these memories are to be stored. So the stored intensity values then retrieved from the refresh buffer and painted onto the screen one row at a time. सो फ्रेम बफर में क्या है, ऑल द पॉइंट्स जो होंगे, ऑल द पिक्सल वैल्यूज़ जो है, जो इंटेंसिटी वैल्यूज़ भी हम जिस कहते हैं, वो क्या होगी, फ्रेम बफर में स्टोर होगी. और फ्रेम बफर में से वन बाय वन हमें क्या करेंगे, उनको रिट्रीव करते जाएंगे टू शो डैट पिक्सल वैल्यूज़ ऑन टू द रो at a time. So this is the raster drawing in which we draw first row is to be drawn when the beam strike onto the screen. The first row is to be drawn, then the scanning process is to be done one row at a time. Onto the one, there is one pixel value is to be attached. Onto the second value is to be attached. In the same way, one by one, the image is to be formed by capturing the intensity value from the frame buffer. So this is the redrawing process also. So next one, the architecture of the raster graphics. It is the combination of there is the monitor which is used to display the images. There is a video controller that control the video to display onto the screen. The system memory, that is the frame buffer where all the pixel values are to be stored. There is a system bus which may pass all the devices, which may pass all the information from the peripheral devices. The user enter the input, and that input is passed to the all over the system. So this is a CPU, we already know that. So what is the work of the display controller or the display controller?